Today topic of lecture methods of brainstorming. Brainstorming methods also so many. Some important brainstorming methods you know. Is one of the idea creation, idea formation technique. Brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Brainstorming is a group creativity technique by which efforts are made to find a conclusion for a specific problem by gathering a list of ideas contributed by its members. It is called a brainstorming. Brainstorming is a group creativity technique by which efforts are made to find a conclusion for a specific problem by gathering a list of ideas contributed by its member. It is one of the idea generation technique. In this technique, group of persons, group of members create ideas, particular problems. So many ideas gathering, contributed every member, every participant give some ideas, specific problem for solution purpose, solving purpose. It is a brainstorming technique. Brainstorming techniques also different types, more number of types. That some important types today you know. Methods of brainstorming. Mind mapping, reverse brainstorming, gap finding, SWOT analysis, the 5 whys, brain netting or online brainstorming, brain writing or slip writing, step ladder brainstorming, round robin brainstorming. These all are some important brainstorming methods. First one is mind mapping. Next one, reverse brainstorming. Next one, gap finding. Next one, SWOT analysis. Next one, the 5 whys. Next, brain netting or online brainstorming. Next, brain writing or slip writing. Next, step ladder brainstorming. Next, round robin brainstorming is last technique. Now, one by one, I explain clearly. First one is mind mapping. This is already previous class we known. Mind mapping is the one of the brainstorming method. In this method, participants or idea creators based the graphs, pictures, diagrams, present the graphical representation for creation of ideas. That graphs, that features, that drawings you see, you think, some ideas also create in this method. That all are you participants ideas collect concerned person. You evaluate, calculate what is idea suitable, present problem, solve solution. To take the one idea. It is one of the idea generation brainstorming technique. In this technique also give the representation participants based the pictures, diagrams, graphs, etc. So the graphs, so the picture. You think some ideas also create their mind. Next one is reverse brainstorming. It is also previous class we known. Reverse brainstorming is opposite or negative. Think any issue, any problem, any work, any activity, any program. Think opposite or negative. That time also you face the negative result. You think the some ideas also create. It is a reverse brainstorming method. For the example, profits, not profits, get losses also. If get losses, that is a negative thing. You failed, that is a negative. That purpose you think how to face future negative result before think. That time also create a some ideas. This is one of the brainstorming technique, brainstorming method. Next one is gap finding. This is another method of brainstorming method. In this method, some questions, some statements, there are some gaps that fill the participants asked fill their gaps. Participants. That time also create a some ideas. Think participants their filled gaps purpose. You create a some ideas. It is the one of the gap finding method, brainstorming. That all are you collect the seeds. Concerned person evaluate, calculate, useful or idea, he accept their problem solving. Next one is SWOT analysis. In this one of the evaluation technique. SWOT standards. S standard for strength. W standard weaknesses. O standard opportunities. T standard truth. This strength and also positive accepts. The use of the development of institution, company, or business, or persons, etc. Weaknesses also negative accept. In this not use the develop the company or institution or business or persons. These all are internal factors in the business, in the company, in the organization. O is opportunities. This is outside factor, outside the business. This use of the development of the businesses. Positive accept, favorable accept. Truth also problems outside rise. That is not developed in this accept. Negative accept. Unfavorable situation. That period also not grow the businesses or companies or institutions, etc. These all are analysis, evaluation. Some experts, some important persons, higher authority, our company, our business, our institution, present situation, strengths and weaknesses. Evaluate outside opportunities, threats. Evaluate that purpose also use taking some measures how to solve the weaknesses, how to face the truth outside, how to develop the or strengthen based, or strengthen is a positive accept, how to catch the opportunities outside. You think that time also some ideas also create. It is a one of the brainstorming technique. SWOT analysis. S standard strength, W standard weaknesses, O standard opportunity, T standard threats. Threats mean problems outside. Next one is the 5 whys. This is one of the brainstorming technique. In this technique, our entrepreneur or business peoples, industrialists or higher authority, any present problem. Why this problem solve? You self questions 5 times or more times. Why solve the problems? Why solve the problems? Why solve the present problem? Why solve the present problem? You deeply, every time you concentrate, you think. It is the 5 whys brainstorming technique. In this technique also, every person, their problems, how to solve, self questions 5 times. Why this problem solve? 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 You continually ask the self questions. Deeply think every time. That time also create some ideas. Their problem solving. It is one of the brainstorming technique. Next one is brain netting or online brainstorming. This is already previous class we known. In the idea generation purpose, used for network, online tools. Any issue, any problem, any idea, you ask the online concerned persons, concerned related experts or knowledge persons. Send the message. Use of the online search engine in the computer. That purpose use the Facebook or Twitter or Gmails, etc. Some more number of sources, online tools that based the you some ideas you create outside people's. This is one of the brainstorming technique, idea generation technique. Next one is brain writing or slip writing. These already previous classes we known. In this method also some experts, some knowledge persons, more senior persons that field. Any problem, any issue, write the one sheet, one slip, one card, one paper. That every participants give the some give the time 5 minutes. That time every participants enter the 3 ideas. After write the ideas in the slip, in the card, in the paper. That paper is you transfer, moving other participant. That person also you enter 3 ideas. That person you move, transfer other participants. You continually this procedure. All participants you enter the every participant 3 ideas in the slip or card or paper. That finally you collect the concerned person. You evaluate the all ideas, summarized, discussed. What idea suitable, present problem solving. That best idea you accepted, you selected. This is one of the method of brainstorming idea generation. In this method also, experts or knowledge persons, that field senior persons, you write the every person three ideas in the sheet, allotted time. That paper is you move or transfer every participants. After you collect that sheet, concerned person, evaluate total, calculate all ideas. What idea suitable? That selected. Next one is step ladder brainstorming. This is one of the brainstorming idea generation method. In this method also, some number of participants, one room, one place in the room, except 2 persons. That all are members in the room, participants. You think some ideas, their problem, that issue. After some time, enter the one person in the room. Again discuss that all persons, new person and previous participants. That time also create some ideas. Next, after some time, next second person is enter in the room. That time also discuss already some ideas, also create previous participants and first person. Next second person you enter in this room. Next you discussed their ideas and this person ideas. Solve the problem. Evaluate, calculate. Suitable idea you accepted. This is one of the method of brainstorming. It is a step ladder brainstorming method. In this method also, some group of members enter the one room, assembled, except 2 members. That members also discussed in the room their issue, their problem. Sometime after entering the group of participants, enter the one person in the room. When you discussed their previous participants and new person, their ideas and any modifications, any changes that time. Next, after some time, previous participants and first person enter in the room. You second person also enter in the room. Already previous person and new person you discussed, create some ideas, their problem. This new person also discussed, evaluate, calculate any modifications. Finally, take the one decision. It is the one of the brainstorming method. It is step ladder brainstorming method in the idea generation. Last one is round robin brainstorming method. Round robin brainstorming method. This is one of the game. All participants is roundly sit sit in one place. Every participant you create a ideas. Give the ideas or advices. Tell compulsory one by one. This is use of the uninterested persons. Compulsory participate the creation of ideas in this method. No avoid, no exemption. Any member of the group. All members compulsory participate, create ideas. It is a round robin brainstorming method. These all are methods of brainstorming. Some important methods. Idea generation. First one is mind mapping. Second one, reverse brainstorming, gap finding, SWOT analysis, the 5 ways, brain netting, brain writing, step ladder brainstorming, round robin brainstorming. This topic is over. Thank you.